Hello students, this is the second video for chapter number 3, Fiber to Fabric. The next topic is man-made fibers, or you can say synthetic fibers. So, what do you mean by the term man-made fibers? Synthetic fibers or man-made fibers are made from chemical substances which are not obtained from plant or animal sources. These are also called as synthetic fibers. The examples are polyester, nylon, acrylic, and there are many more examples of synthetic fibers. Such kind of fibers are used in making socks. You have seen nylon socks in your daily life. The next topic is yarn to fabric. There are many ways by which fabrics are made from yarns. The two main processes are weaving and knitting. First of all, we will be discussing weaving, and after that we will be discussing what do you mean by the term knitting. Number one is weaving. As you are looking in the figure given below in the slide, there are two kind of papers of different colors. We have just folded the paper and one paper is sliding into another one. A fabric is made up of two sets of yarns arranged together. The process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric is called as weaving. So, what do you mean by the term weaving? The process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric is called as weaving. W-E-A-V-I-N-G. The next is knitting. K-N-I-T-T-I-N-G. Knitting. What do you mean by the term knitting? In knitting, a single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. Let me ask you one question, students. Have you ever pulled the yarn from a torn pair of socks? What happens if you do this? Means you are given a pair of socks and you have just pulled the yarn. So, what you will find? You will find a single yarn gets pulled out continuously as the fabric gets unraveled. This is the answer of this question. Socks and many other clothing items are made of knitted fabrics. How knitting is done? Knitting is done by hand and it can also be done on machines. The next topic is the last and very important, history of clothing material. What is the history? Means in ancient times, what do people used to wear? When no such kind of man-made or synthetic, or you can say natural fibers were known to them. Have you ever wondered what materials people used in ancient times for clothes? It appears that in those times, people used the bark and big leaves of trees, or you can say animal skins and furs, to cover themselves, to cover their body. They don't have fabric, they just use the bark and big leaves of trees or animal skins and furs. After people began to settle in agricultural communities, they learned to weave twigs and grass into mats and baskets. Now what people started doing? They started learning how to weave twigs and grass into mats and baskets. Vines, animal fleece or hair were twisted together into long strands. These were woven into fabrics. In those days, means we are talking about history, we are ancient time, stitching was not known to the people. लोगों को नहीं पता था कि stitching क्या होता है. People simply wrapped the fabrics around the different parts of their body. Have you seen sari? Nowadays also people used to wear sari. It is just a simple piece of fabric which is wrapped around the different parts of their body in order to cover themselves. The next is important keywords to remember. These are the important keywords which you should remember. The keywords are cotton, wool, fabric, fiber, knitting, spinning, weaving and yarn, and there are many other keywords which you have to learn. Okay, the next is the summary of chapter, means the overall ending of the chapter in very simple terms. First of all, let me tell you the meaning of term fiber. A fiber is a material which is available in the form of thin and continuous strand, that is called as fiber. There are two types of fibers, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Number 3, about cotton. fiber balls, cotton is usually picked by hand. Fibers are then separated from the seeds by a process which is called as combing. This process is called ginning of cotton. The next is, what do you mean by the term spinning? The process of making yarn from fibers is called as spinning. What do you mean by the term weaving? A fabric is made up of two sets of yarns arranged together. The process of arranging two sets of yarns together to make a fabric is called as weaving. The last and the most important term is knitting of fibers. A single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. This process is called as knitting. So, let me tell you once again the important points. What do you mean by the term fiber? Two types of fiber. How cotton balls are obtained. What do you mean by the term spinning, weaving and knitting of fabric? Hope you all have understood the chapter, and in the next video, or you can say in the next file, we will be discussing the question answers. Thank you.